Hello friends, welcome back to Careful Studies. Friends, మనమైతే ఇప్పుడు పైథాన్ ఫర్ డేటా సైన్స్ లో వీక్ 2 అసైన్మెంట్ కంటిన్యూ చేద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ చూసేద్దాం. గివెన్ లిస్ట్ ఒక లిస్ట్ అయితే ఇచ్చాడు. దాంట్లో మోస్ట్ ఎఫిషియెంట్ ఇన్ డిటర్మైనింగ్ ద యూనిక్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ప్రెసెంట్ ఇన్ ద లిస్ట్. అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఈ లిస్ట్ ని మనం సెట్ లా కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకొని అప్పుడు యాక్సెస్ చేసుకోగలం. సో ద ఆప్షన్ ఈస్ సెకండ్ వన్. The next question is what will be the output and obtained from the code snippet provided below. X అని ఒక స్ట్రింగ్ ఇచ్చాడు, y ఒక స్ట్రింగ్ ఇచ్చాడు. ఒక వేరియబుల్లో స్టోర్ చేసుకున్నాడు. X స్ట్రింగ్ ని స్ప్లిట్ చేశాడు. నెక్స్ట్ వేరియబుల్లో y డాట్ స్ప్లిట్. అగైన్ y also splitted in the area of where the white spaces are provided. Then it has another variable called red. When here two loops are used, print red. The output is the Python the course. These are the selected portions in the two strings. Then third question is state whether the following statements are true or false. First one is a tuple can be directly initialized with its all values spread by commas. So this is true. Dictionary is a non-ordered sequence data type. It is also true. Dictionary have non-ordered. It has an ordered. So dictionary have some particular order to specify the values. So fourth question is what will be the output for the following code. It has finally variables. The empty string X is the mathematics is essential in many fields. Then it has assigned to a split function and it assigned to another variable. Here used element of colon minus 1 means slicing for element x in x underscore upd. Then another loop final. It has the following output. The list is the string can be in the reverse order. So the first option. Next question is state whether the following statements are true or false. First one is append method. Append method takes a list as input and adds a list onto the existing list. What is the answer? So this is the false. So we cannot append the elements one list to another list. We just add one append method with the help of one list in the last position of same list. So next one is extend method. Extend method takes a list as input and appends the elements individually to the existing list. So the option is first one is false and second one is true. Sixth one, state whether the following statements are true or false. First one is the n bytes attribute is used to find the memory consumed by each element of a numpy array. The item size is used to find the total consumed by numpy array. So what is the correct option? Third one, false. Seventh one, what will be the output for the following code snippet? He given a list for us as lists are mutable sequences typically used to store collection of homogeneous items. He converts the list into entire small string, smaller case letters. Then he prints char x colon x dot count of char for char in x if char is alpha. So here some of the mistakes they given. Here yes is repeated for 8 times but they given 9 times. So here options are not correct, none of the above. Choose the right option based on the code snippet attached below. One sample string Sundar, another sample string printing that Sundar, another sample string dot replace of a in the replace of e. So what is the answer? Second one. A copy of sample string has been created from the original sample str with replaced values. So the following commands can be used to alter size of numpy array. Numpy array means we can use with the reshape method. So at last final one, state whether the following statements are true or false. First one, a list cannot be appended to a set. True. We cannot append a list to set. Next one is a set can be appended to a set. This is also false. We cannot append one set to another set. So these are the answers provided for week 2 assignment 2 solutions. So please subscribe. Bye.